Hello, students. Today I will talk about how to save animals and birds. Let us know about this in detail. Animals and birds are important. They are sometimes defenseless against humans. We should do more for them, don't you think? It's easy to get involved in bird conservation, and like anything, some of your most helpful actions begin at home. Imagine how many birds you can help finish their migratory journey, have a successful nesting season, raise young, survive the winter if you just follow a couple of points. Don't litter. This is the single easiest way to help the environment. Littering increases damage of habitats and is a possible choking hazard, especially to animals foraging for food. It also ruins the view. Cut up those plastic 8-pack rings you get from soda cans before you throw them away. They are very real choking items for seabirds that get their heads stuck in them while foraging for food. Protect birds from pets. Unleashed dogs and outdoor cats can harm birds by disturbing, chasing, and even killing them. Keeping your cat indoors and your dog from straying saves millions of birds each year. Protect animals and birds from humans. If you see other people mindlessly trample animal homes, nicely remind them of the damage they're causing. Do the same if you see people chasing birds, throwing rocks at animals, nests, anything that is harmful or could be harmful in the future. Old bird nests can be homes for birds that return year after year to the same place. Restore natural habitat in your community. Birds need a place to live, and many bird habitats are disappearing. City parks and open spaces are natural places for birds. Work with your community to recreate the habitat that once existed in your area. Spread the word. The more people helping animals, the better the chance of saving them. One person can make a difference, but many will make a much more benefiting change to animals. Go green and turn off the lights when you leave the room. Turn off the water when you don't need it. Walk instead of drive, and get cloth bags instead of the plastic bags at the grocery stores. These will help animals in the long run. It will also help the environment.